For this week's episode, we got teacher Ryan Hatch with us, and he's gonna be teaching us about how to use go and go to. Honestly, I don't even know how to use it. Let's see.
Hello, I'm teacher Ryan, and today we are talking about the differences between using go to and go plus ing. Whenever we use go to, we're talking about where we're going. We are going to go to the store. I will go to the mall. We can go to the movies. We're talking about location. Whenever we have go plus ing, it's what we're doing, or what we are going to go and do. Let's go swimming. Let's go running. Let's go jogging. Whenever we have an action plus go, it's always go, the action, and ing. If we're going to a location, it's go to plus the location. There is never go to swimming. That is not a real thing. But make sure if it's go plus ing, no to. If we're talking about the location, it's go to and then the location. That's it. Well, I hope that helps with your language lessons and your encounters. I have to go pick up the book now. Bye.
Yummy, 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 yummy.